What's up, 10 Scale Squad? Rlarrlo sent us an email and they're like, hey, we've got this new desert racer, rock racer, buggy truck thing. And they asked us if we wanted to check it out. And of course,
we said yes. Absolutely.
Yes, it looks pretty cool. Looking at just the pictures, it looks like it's a 12 scale version of like
Lasernut?
Lasernut, yes. Which looks pretty cool. But of course, mini 12 scale. And here it is. They sent it out right away and boom! Woo-hoo! First impressions, it looks
hideous. No. The paint scheme livery is not my flavor, but no, I think it looks cool. I like the big old tire off the back.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. First impressions are, I actually really like it. The yeah, it's got.
Oh, it's all wrapped.
Yeah,
that's gonna be so satisfying later.
After we give it some runs, they might soften up a little bit. The suspension is actually pretty nice, pretty scooshy. And of course, I love that the whole body flips up, similar to like a Losi.
Yeah.
All the electronics are straightforward, and if you're thinking this kind of looks familiar, we thought the same thing, and then we realized it was exactly the same as this thing. Do you remember this? This is the WL Toys, the 124 something or other. We took a look at this, the brushless and brushed version, a while ago. Mm-hmm. Oh, the chassis is 100% the same.
Yeah, the chassis itself is.
The layout is 100% the same. The shocks, the links, everything, the A-arms, for all intents and purposes, it's the same platform.
Mm-hmm.
But this one has been, for sure, upgraded. The links are a little bit bigger. The drive shafts are much bigger, much beefier. I do like how the whole thing opens on the Rlarrlo, whereas with the WL Toys, it's just, it's a little cramped in there.
Mm-hmm.
But they are both brushless. The servos are the same. This one actually uses a legit receiver, which is nice. So if you wanted to swap out radios, you absolutely could. But the radio that comes with it is actually, it's pretty nice. I kind of really like these Rlarrlo transmitters. For a ready-to-run transmitter,
yeah, I'm not quite sure what they are yet. We have a lot of transmitters, but it doesn't really match up with anything else that we have.
So I don't know who's making these for them, but did you get them?
No.
Oh. But yeah, they're pretty nice. Especially when you compare this to like the transmitter that you get with like the WL Toys. This also has roll bars, like sway bars.
Oh, that's right.
Front and rear. Yep. And this one, of course, does not. So this is like an upgraded ultimate version of this. But the one thing that I really remember about this is that it was pretty hard to drive. In a straight line, it absolutely ripped. But controlling it around turns was pretty... It left something to be desired.
Yeah.
And the cogging with this one was pretty intense too. Like under light throttle or partial throttle, it would just... And then I modified it and put these big chungus wheels and tires on it, and that only made the problem worse. So that's what I remember about that. In the box, you get a bunch of goodies. You get a little USB charger for the 2200 milliamp 2S LiPo battery that comes with this thing. Obviously, that's probably not going to cut it. You want to get a hobby grade charger. It has LED lights, or an LED light bar. These little LED light bars on the front are they're just molded plastic. They're just decorative. But it is detailed pretty nice. But all of that is kind of for nothing if it doesn't drive very well. Let's see how fast they go.
Yeah. We have it here? Yeah.
Let's do that.
Perfect.
All right, so we got the GPS in the cockpit of the thing. We're going to come out here and give it a rip. Not bad. All right. Ethan said 32, I said 39.
We're just going to have to pop it on out of there.
Survey says... Oh. Well, it didn't come flying out, so that's good.
Woohoo! 39.
Nice!
Wow.
Yeah! Nailed it! Nailed
You
it!
did not.
All right, we got the WL Toys with a speedometer in it, and we're gonna give that a speed run now. That's still stock gearing, but the cogging is ridiculous on this thing now. Oh yeah, getting it. Getting it. Dang. I mean, it is pretty quick. Survey says, what did I say, 34, and you said 37?
Yep. 45.
No. No. For real?
I thought it was faster.
Yeah, I'm not sure what these are stock, but this has way taller wheels and tires on it, so that definitely helps gear it up. What do you mean?
I thought the other one had taller tires.
This has taller tires from stock.
Oh, yeah.
You got me. You got the tater. It seems like when turning under power, it just wants to roll.
It does. That's where I'm trying to keep it loose.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! We could probably tune some of that out with suspension. Are they cranked way up?
Not a ton.
Oh.
But I'm going to get some of it. Oh, come on.
Bugs, insects, millions of them. Suspension adjusted, so it's in its lowest setting, lowest ride height setting. What do you think, any improvement?
Super grippy tires.
Yeah. Yeah, the tires, again, are not super duper supple. So, you know, after running it a little bit, they might soften up a little bit. So we got this nice little divot back here on the trail. We're gonna see if we can jump this thing. All right, hill climb, pretty steep hill. I think it's got it all day, dude.
I'm gonna try a crawler approach.
Okay.
We'll see what happens.
All right. It does have open diffs, so we'll see. I think speed. Oh, easy, dude. No problem at all. No problem at all. Loves it. Even through the tall grass. Loves it. Yeah.
Now we're gonna give her a bean run.
Yes. Maximum berries. I'm gonna stand back for this one.
Yeah, I would.
Yes. Oh, I got you. She's got some foliage. Yes. Oh, almost. I mean, technically we're at the top, but I think you could probably do it a little more graceful than that.
Maybe. I didn't want to.
Yes. 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 Beautiful. You hit the only freaking little tree doodle on the whole dang thing. Yes. Woo! Excellent. Not a bad little ripper, man. I mean, through the tall grass, no problem. Whoa! I saw my shins flash before my eyes.
I mean, take it down to the ball field.
It's taking a licking. Should keep on ticking.
I bet this thing grips and rips in the ball field.
Oh, I bet you're right. We should go down there.
Go down there.
So that was 2200 milliamps. That's for everything. The speed run that we did at the shop, all the running that we did out here. So not bad. You know, you could definitely get an upgraded battery and for sure an upgraded charger, but overall not bad, man. Not bad runtime at all. So what do we think of the Rlarrlo? Honestly, it's a lot like the last Rlarrlo that we covered, the 917. It seems like you really get a lot for your money. Sure, it's built on the WL Toys chassis, but that just means that there's going to be better part support for it. And pretty much everything about this one has been upgraded. The links, the drive shaft, the radio, the receiver, for not much more money. It really seems like pretty good value. Anyway, let me know what you guys think down below. If you're interested in picking one up, I'm going to leave a link to Rlarrlo's website down in the description box below. And let me know, what do you want to see us do with this thing? We're definitely going to upgrade it, but what else should we do? Let me know if you got any good ideas. Anyway, if this is your first time checking out the channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it. We like to do RC shenanigans like this all the time. And we've got some pretty wicked stuff coming up. You're going to want to stick around. All right, guys, until next time.